Hey guys, this is Jam of jamonline.ph, and today we got here the latest mid-range smartphone from Realme, the Realme 9 4G. So yes, there's another smartphone in the Realme 9 family, and this time it's the Realme 9 4G. It comes with a Snapdragon 680 processor, a 6.4-inch AMOLED display with 90 Hz refresh rate, and of course there's the 108 megapixel main camera. And I'm really excited to unbox this one because of its features and all. So yeah, what are we waiting for? Time to unbox and time to take a closer look at the Realme 9 4G. So this is the Realme 9 4G. So time to unbox this one. Basically, you got here the main features: 108 megapixel main camera, the Snapdragon 680 processor, the 90 Hz Super AMOLED display, and of course the 5000 milliamp hours of battery. So time to unbox this one. Welcome to the Realme family. And of course, we got here the SIM ejector tool, the quick start guide, and of course, the other guide. We also got here the 33 watts charger. It's a dart charger, and surprisingly, this one is lighter compared to the other chargers that we have tested or reviewed before. And of course, there's the USB-A to USB Type-C cable. And look at that. We got here the yellow color, and it does look cute. I love the look of it, and I can't wait to test it out. So let's turn it on and let's check out everything about the smartphone. Alright, so we got here the Realme 9 4G. So as you can see in here, we got here a really nice display. There's this 6.4-inch Full HD AMOLED display. It's a 90 Hz refresh rate, and of course having a better refresh rate also means that we got here a better touch sampling rate, so the display is more responsive, which gives you an advantage when it comes to playing games like Mobile Legends, Call of Duty Mobile, and whatsoever. Alright, as you can see in here, the colors of this one is actually pretty nice. I actually like the colors that we're getting in here, and everything seems to be well on the Realme 9 4G. Yeah, there we go. The viewing angles are fine. And yeah, the bezels on the side isn't that thick, but we got the chin below, of course. And of course, we got here the selfie camera over here. And on the left, we got here the volume rocker. And on the other side, we got here the power button. If you have noticed, this one is actually just a button. There's no fingerprint scanner on the side because this one comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner, which is pretty good for me. I appreciate that they've used an in-display fingerprint scanner, but yeah, sometimes I just prefer having a side fingerprint scanner on the smartphone. Anyway, below we got here the headphone jack, the USB Type-C that supports 33 watts fast charging, and of course, there's the speaker grill. So as you can see in here, the Realme UI is actually pretty good. And we're running it at Realme UI 3. That is on version Android 12. And as you can see in here, we got here the 8 gigs variant with 128 gigs of internal storage. And you can expand the RAM if you want to. I mean, you could go up to 5 gigs of RAM if you want to. So that will give you a total of 13 gigs with 5 gigs plus the 8 gigs. You got 13 gigs of RAM. That is a pretty large additional RAM for the smartphone. Yeah, but yeah, it will take some of those storage from your internal storage, so basically you need to have a free storage for that one. But yeah, I really appreciate that they have that feature on the Realme 9. Again, one of the things that they've improved with the Realme UI 3 is that there are actually a lot of softwares that are pre-installed on this one, but you can uninstall some of them. But yeah, you can actually uninstall and of course install the applications that you want from the Play Store. Some of it are kind of not useful for me. I mean, we got Union Bank. For some Union Bank users, they would appreciate that one. We got the Booking.com, Block Puzzle. Of course, you can install those things if you want to, but overall, once you uninstall those applications, we still got here the smooth sailing Realme UI 3, and combined with the 90 Hz refresh rate, I'm pretty sure that you would be happy with how smooth the animations are, with how smooth the UI is. Again, we got here, actually, this is not yellow, this is sunburst gold. And as you can see, we got some ripples. This is actually doesn't have that texture, it's just a smooth I believe this is plastic back, but yeah, I do appreciate that we got here some ripples at the back. It adds some beauty to the smartphone. Of course, the design is very similar to other Realme 9 series smartphones. We got here the triple lens camera, and this one is actually headlining the 108 megapixel main camera along with the 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel macro lens. I'm pretty sure that the macro lens isn't important to you. And then we got here the 16 megapixel front camera. But yeah, basically the 108 megapixel main camera is one of its main features. And yeah, let me show you some of the shots that I took using the smartphone. So basically, I do like the colors of the smartphone when there's a decent lighting condition, but inside this one is a little bit different. I have to review it first to know more about it. But yeah, this is a good start for the smartphone. It's not perfect, it's not the best one, but it will do just fine. And combined with this Snapdragon 680 processor along with the Adreno 610, well, hopefully we could get better shots with that one as long as we get more updates on the smartphone. And in my experience with the 680, we got an average to mid-range quality of shots. And as for the performance with the 680, of course, this just kind of on the mid-range level. Don't expect too much from it. But yeah, it's still a decent 680 processor. So basically, the Realme 9 4G is a decent mid-range smartphone. I still don't know yet the price as of this recording. I don't know yet the price of the smartphone. But yeah, it's an interesting smartphone with a really nice design. I mean, look at that sunburst gold. I really like the design of this one. And again, there's the AMOLED display along with the 9Hz refresh rate. So I'm expecting that we could take advantage of that refresh rate when it comes to games. And then, of course, there's the Snapdragon 680 processor, which is on the low or entry level to mid-range level of processor. So again, don't expect too much from it, and I'm really excited to try it out. I mean, the camera, the 108 megapixel camera is one of its main features, and I really want to test it out for the night shot, street photography, or whatever. But yeah, this is the Realme 9. Of course, we'll get down we'll get more details about the smartphone once we have our review, so stay tuned to jamonline.ph for more info regarding the Realme 9 4G. So I guess that's it for our unboxing and hands-on of the Realme 9 4G. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and be sure to click that subscribe button along with that bell button to get notified of our latest videos here in my YouTube channel. So once again, I am jamonline.ph. Thank you for watching and see you guys again in my next video.